Welcome back to another trade recap. This trade was from yesterday, Wednesday, August 6th. I'm recording this the next day because I already posted a YouTube video. I didn't really want to post another YouTube video on the same day. I mean, I'm sure it's fine, but I feel like for the algorithm. But yesterday I lost $1,167. So not one of my best days, but we'll go over it, why I lost, and what trades I took. So, starting off, go to market open. I actually had taken a pre-market short. So, what I was looking at, higher time frame, we had displaced down. This is a weekly fair value gap that I want to see price get rebalanced to. We displaced down, had a change in the state, market structure shift, all of that. We then retrace back up to equilibrium, retrace back up to equilibrium, and then we had displacement down. See if I can zoom in, I mean. We had internal displacement, so we retraced in this bigger displacement, and then we had displacement inside that. So, not really a good market structure shift. There's not really a clean, like, swing low, swing high. But I still thought this was nice. We had a bearish fair value gap form, and we started to push down. And looking at this, we actually had SMT. ES sweeps this high. We had SMT here. And this is actually where I took my first short, was pretty early before market opened. We had the SMT. We then also had displacement through this leg. So there's a hourly 1 hour change in the state of delivery here, plus inverse fair value gap. So I thought this was pretty clean for us to start to move down through these lows. And I took a short. Let's see. I just took a pretty early short around here. We had this 5-minute change in the state of delivery now. And I thought it looked clean enough for me to take a short. I entered short here and I just targeted pretty low and put very low contract size on. So I was only risking $200 on this trade. Market opens and pushes straight through. This is tough. Pushes straight through. We come up, we sweep this high. The external, this SMT stays intact. We then put in an SMT here. So there's now an SMT here to here, with another SMT being here to here. So two SMTs form. My draw on liquidity, I'm thinking, is lower. We do this. We displace, we push up, we displace right through it. Inverse fair value gap through this low, creating an order block. Bearish fair value gap. I entered short here on this move. Back to the fair value gap. And I was targeting the internal low. And man, this trade still does look clean. I'm 100% okay taking this trade. We just had to push higher. The draw on liquidity was higher. I just got fucked a little bit. It's tough. Got stopped out and price pushes higher. We come down one more time. Okay. Changing the state of delivery here. I don't think we put an SMT here. No, we don't. But these SMTs are still holding. Put in another change in the state. I enter short one more time. Stop loss here. And I get fucked. Straight to my stop loss, and we expand higher. My bias for the day was just wrong. Bias for the day was wrong. If it's going to play, hold on. And we just expand higher. which is pretty unfortunate. So it looks like we might not be going here this week. This is tough, man. The weekly profile, we never manipulate down at all. If we were to do this to go up here, I'd want to see manipulation down to the weekly for value gap first and then a push up. But we just straight push up. We don't even sweep this low. So, I mean, we are pushing higher. It looks like we're going back to all-time highs, unfortunately. I guess we've just been so bullish that just anything short is lower probability, unfortunately. But it's tough, man. I was one win away from winning my first, not winning, but passing my first funded account. And I kind of got fucked. I was too confident in my bias. I think that was the issue. I was too confident in us going lower. But I was able to step away from the charts after I took this loss, which was, I think it was good on me. After I took this loss, I just stepped away. I said, I'm not looking at this anymore. I took my 2 trades. Okay, so I wasn't counting this as, I have a rule where I can only take 2 losses, and then after that, I have to step away. Yes, I did take 3 losses, but this first trade was with very low size, and it was pre-market, and I made that decision logically, not emotionally, to be able to enter into 2 more trades after that. And I stuck to that plan. When my 3rd trade lost, I stepped away. I probably could have taken another short here if I stuck on the charts. If I saw this, I probably would have taken another short. But I stopped myself. I had my rules in place. I stepped away. I decided that I don't want to lose any more on this day. I'm not going to revenge trade anymore. I'm done. I'm not going to fucking do that. So that was good on me. That was something that a profitable trader would do. And I'm proud of myself for that. Obviously, taking these losses does suck, and I'm now further away from passing my funded account, but I'm still only 2 trades away. 1 trade will get me very close to passing. The 2nd trade will get me to pass the account. I understand losses will happen. I won't see the market the correct way every single time. I understand losses are part of the game. So I'm going to come back. I know that this money is going to come back in the next 2 weeks and the next month. I know that this is going to come back. If we look back on the past 6 weeks of my trading, I'm positive I'm up a lot of money overall. Got to remember that I am a profitable trader, and days like this will happen. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you were able to learn something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.